Assalamu alaikum everyone. When you disconnect your car's battery or clean your car's throttle body, the accelerator often gets stuck in a high position. To reset this and bring it back to normal, you typically need a scanner. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to use a Thinkscan scanner to reset and program your throttle body. If you're interested in purchasing this Thinkscan tool, you can find the link in the description below. Click Maintenance and Services. Click ETS. Then click Diagnose. Wait a minute. Select your car type. Turn the ignition switch on, then click OK. Click OK. Again, click OK. Click on ECM. Now click Second one. Click Special Function. Click Resetting Adaptive Value, then OK. Again, click OK. Wait a little, and you're done. If you'd like to stay up to date, please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment on our videos.